ये फोटोग्राफ पोएम के आगे वाले एमसीक्यूज़ करते हैं। आज हम 61 से स्टार्ट करेंगे। उम्मीद है कि आप सभी ने 60 एमसीक्यूज़ देख लिए होंगे। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का 61 एमसीक्यू। द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पोएम रिफ्लेक्ट्स, ऑप्शंस हैं ए मूवमेंट फ्रॉम मेमोरी टू ग्रीफ, ए शिफ्ट फ्रॉम एंगर टू रिवेंज, ए जर्नी फ्रॉम फियर टू क्रेज, ए कंपैरिजन ऑफ कल्चर्स। योर राइट आंसर इज ए मूवमेंट फ्रॉम memory to grief. The next is the poet uses the image of it mainly to symbolize. Options हैं childhood, playfulness, human mortality, weakness of women, journey through life. Your right answer is B, human mortality. The next is the phrase worry with the labored ease of loss indicates. Options हैं joyful confidence, pain mixed with acceptance, complete hopelessness, fear of memories. Your right answer is B, pain mixed with acceptance. The next is which quality of the sea contrast with human life? Options हैं beauty, depth, permanence, violence. Your right answer is C, permanence. The next is the poet's use of a personal memory makes the poem. Options हैं satirical, universal and relatable, political, unrealistic. Your right answer is B, universal and relatable. The next is the mood of the first stanza is mainly. Options हैं joyful and lively, tense and fearful, angry and bitter, serious and formal. Your right answer is A, joyful and lively. The next is the mood changes in the last stanza too. Options हैं excitement, reflection and sadness, pride and confidence, humor. Your right answer is B, reflection and sadness. The next is the poet indirectly suggests that. Options हैं human beings are powerless before time, nature fears humans, childhood never changes, memories should be forgotten. Your right answer is A, human beings are powerless before time. The next is which poetic device is found in its silences. Options हैं repetition, irony, simile, onomatopoeia. Your right answer is A, repetition. The next is the title a photograph is appropriate because. Options हैं it describes photography techniques. The photograph becomes the central link between past and present. The poem criticizes cameras. It focuses on visual beauty only. Your right answer is B, the photograph becomes the central link between past and present. The next is the poem presents memory as. Options हैं painful yet precious, meaningless, dangerous, temporary. Your right answer is A, painful yet precious. The next is which human emotion is strongest in the poem? Options हैं jealousy, revenge, longing, pride. Right answer is C, longing. The next is the sea holiday is important because it. Options हैं shows economic status, captures a happy moment frozen in time, describes social customs, introduces conflicts. Your right answer is B, captures a happy moment frozen in time. The next is the poet's mother's reaction to the photograph shows. Options हैं hatred for the past, acceptance of aging and time, fear of childhood, anger toward relatives. Your right answer is B, acceptance of aging and time. The next and the last is the poem can be classified as. Options हैं reflective lyric poetry, epic poetry, historical poetry, dramatic monologue. Your right answer is A, reflective lyric poetry. यहाँ पे हमारी पोएम होती है ये कंप्लीट. थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग.